Today I am making pelmeni. Pelmeni is a Russian dumpling or Russian ravioli, typically eaten with butter or sour cream. Why is this so sticky? All right. The notification had me rushing over here. Yes. Okay, 4 1/4 cups of flour. And of course now when I have flour all over my hands, I haven't, my nose itches. I want to scratch it. Bad for diet stream. Yum yum. Blossom like a flower. It's stressful. Yay! Okay, feeling better. I'm feeling better. How much meat? We're using all of this. If you don't eat your meat, you can't have any pudding. Ew, squishy. You are sick. Oh no, a meat blob. ASMR Luigi. What? The source of life. Yes, garlic. Oh my goodness. This is, it says garlic picante. Ooh, I just had another good idea. Heavenly. That's for... All right, here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. I already washed this. I sanitized it before we started. So I asked a Russian from Russia. Looks like a surprised face. The cool thing about pelmeni is they're super easy to freeze. So you can make a very large amount and then just freeze them. All right, this one might have too much flour on it now just because I will this actually work? You see that? Might be too much. It smells heavenly. There is onion in this. There is onion in this. Don't worry. Okay, and now oh my goodness. Look at that. Yeah, the dough is not great though. All right. We did it! We did it! Okay, less meat though. A bowl of water. All right. Pinch it, just like the empanadas, and then you join it, the two ends together, like that. What? Okay, let's do this, chat. One, two, three. Here, I didn't clean this flour off yet because I want to keep rolling out the dough later, but these are way bigger than any pelmeni I've ever had. So, all right, I learned something. Some are smaller, some are bigger. So, mix it around in that butter first, right? Coat it. But another very common way to serve it is with sour cream. Oh yes. I did get Russian sour cream too. Oh my goodness. I'm putting more pepper. All right. Here goes nothing. Here goes nothing. Yep. Good. Very good. I'm happy. I have to cut this though because I did make them really big. I'm shocked. I really was not. There we go. Anyways, thank you again. I will see everybody. I'm not sure when yet. So don't forget tomorrow, gray area at 7 p.m. on Watch Ven. And maybe I'll be back Saturday. I don't know yet, though. I don't know yet. No promises yet. But make sure you're on my Discord and also follow me on socials because I always announce a few minutes before going live. So, thanks again. See you guys tomorrow on Gray Area. It's not a secret Saturday if you tell us. Bye.
If we all fight through this together, will you apologize and make me feel better? You and me, we're like perfect strangers, 'cause we risk our